welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a small Amazon haul. I think it's small because I haven't done an Amazon haul in so long, but I feel like I used to buy more stuff, but I guess since I wasn't doing clients, maybe that's why, I don't know. So now that I'm gonna start back up, my son went back to regular school, so he's not home doing remote learning, thank God in a way, but God protect them there please, because it's just really hard when they're at home. I literally slacked off on so much. Well, then again, I kind of like did take advantage and kind of had some me time too. But if you guys hear noise in the background, I'm so sorry, my kids are watching TV. So first thing, guys, in the haul, let's get to it. Is there something on my face or is that the camera? Gianni, can you lower the TV? I'm recording. Thank you. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so the first thing I have are some buffers. We got some orange buffers right here. I love orange buffers. I feel like the grit is perfect. I already used one for me, so these are gonna be disposable, so one per client, and I should get more, but we'll see. Okay, also got some swatch sticks because I have to finish swatching a lot of acrylic that I don't have on my little swatch display for people to see. There's so many acrylics, you guys, and then during quarantine, the beginning of the year, I bought a lot more. So yeah, I have, and then I got sent some from PR packages, so I have so many to swatch, you guys, and yeah. So I got these swatch sticks. Okay, so then I have these little sticky thingies for press-ons. Ooh, they're so sticky. They're coming off the thing. What the heck? Okay, so I don't know what that's about, but I have these little sticky things for press-on nails, you guys. They look like these. Well, let me show you one. They look like this. Excuse my nails, haven't done them in I forgot when, but I do need to do them. But I got some new tips that I'm going to show you guys too, that I'm so excited to show you, because these tips, I used them on my mom yesterday, but she got short set, so it's not that fun. So I want to do like a semi medium long set on myself with these tips, because the curve is perfect, the length is perfect, the narrowness of the coffin shape of it is perfect. You guys are going to see in a minute. Very excited, and I will leave all of the items in the description box down below, you guys. But yeah, I got these because I probably want to do press-ons on myself, or like I said, I'm thinking very hard with the whole like press-on business, but I really don't know. Like, I know some of you guys say you'll buy some, but I don't know how long that'll take. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But I do have these just in case, and I want to try them on myself to see if they're any good. Okay, here's some tips right here. I haven't even opened these. These are just clear though. But this one, it's from the same brand as the other one. So it just says 500 piece, 10 sizes. Looks like that. Oh, if you guys can see, the wall in the back is white. I'm in my new nail room. Everything is still not good to go. So I want to give you guys a room tour for sure, but when everything is done, because you guys are going to judge me, you're going to be like, what the heck? It's a mess. It's still a mess. And I literally opened back up on Thursday, and it's Friday, so we aren't on a time limit right now. I'm gonna open this and see. Oh, okay, that's easy to pop it open. So these ones look like this. This is cute. These are the clear ones, you can see. Okay, so their shape of them is very nice. I won't open this one because I already kind of like how big the box is. I don't know if that's going to be convenient or inconvenient, but when I'm done using these, I could probably use this for storage of other things. Guys, let's recycle, so probably a good idea, but that's really cute, and the price wasn't too bad either. So then I got 3 bits. I got my favorite, which is the fine, and then I got an extra fine because I don't remember which one I liked more, if it was the fine or the extra fine. From PANA, I love PANA bits, and then I got a large barrel extra course. I guess it's the, I don't know, this one's dark, looks black. I don't know, I've never gotten this one. Yeah, it says black, that's all it says. And it looks like this. I hope you guys can see it. And then we got this one here, and this is the fine one? Yeah, the fine one. And then this is the extra fine one. And this one looks like that. Okay. And then I got, oh look, there's more swatch sticks. I think these had a pack of 200. And then I got these PANA high quality nail files. And there's 50 of them here. All these are 100, 100. I could have sworn I got the 100, 180. I guess I don't remember. But I wanted to try these because, you know, some of the girls that I do, they do longer nails. Some of them, usually it's medium, but sometimes I got somebody that gets them long. Very rare that they're extra long, but these are very sturdy. I did try them. I think I have one right here to show you guys. I was testing it on my mom, but she had a short set, so it didn't make sense, but this is what it looks like. This is used already, and it's this thick. Ooh. But it's so sturdy. Look, I'm bending it really hard, nothing. Let's take this MAKARRT. Obviously, it's more narrow too, but bends more. But that MAKARRT one was really good for the polygel that it came in with. Okay, so we have a last item here, and these are the, my kids, these are the natural color ones. Oh, one fell. They look like that. This one's a pretty box too, and I like the logo. And they do, where's the one that fell? I was gonna say they look like this, but I don't know where it went. So kind of like that. And I'll take one out. And this is what they look like. There we go. Whoops, this one had two, but you can see it like, the coffin is very narrow. It's pretty good. Well, guys, that was my quick little Amazon haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And just so you guys know, my lips, if anybody likes, let me know if you like the color of my lips. This is actually one of the colors that's gonna come out. We are actually deciding to launch our website, me and my mom. I know this is off topic, but our cosmetic line, we did start incorporating like matte lipsticks. We were trying to perfect the formula. I feel like this one's not all the way matte. Some of them came out really matte. We were trying to perfect the formula, so some colors came out super matte, some of them didn't. Some of them have a slight sleekness, like a lipstick kind of feel to them, but they still have a really nice feel. So if anybody's interested, our website will launch on Black Friday, so we're gonna be doing a giveaway probably next week, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a pretty good giveaway, you guys. We're gonna give out we're gonna give out 3 prizes. The first prize, there's like lipstick, well, yeah, like matte lipsticks, silky, kind of liquidy lipsticks, like this one on my lips. We're also going to be giving, did I say lip gloss? Lip gloss, matte lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. Oh, the rose facial serum that really clears my face really quickly every time I break out during PMS time. But oh, and it keeps my face really like very, like, what's the word, hydrated, because my skin is very dry. And also we're gonna be giving away, I think, oh, lip scrubs and probably some more stuff I can't remember right now. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for next week. We will be doing a giveaway to 3 people, and the first prize is pretty big, second prize is decent, third prize is, you know, it's a little small, but you're still gonna get something really, really nice. And it's all gonna be on our website. So we are launching the website, like I said, on Black Friday. But a week before, we're gonna do 8 giveaways just so you guys can have a little fun with this, so we can give somebody something to try out right before we launch. And then we will probably announce the winner Black Friday, which is awesome. It's gonna be fun. If not, I don't know, maybe on Thanksgiving would be fun to do it, but then again, you guys are probably busy on Thanksgiving, you know. We'll see what I do. I'm not really sure. So I'm really excited for you guys because we've been working on it for so long. We got our thank you cards made, we got some boxes. My nail room's also gonna be like our shipping room and our you know, kind of like where we're gonna organize inventory and stuff. So I'm really excited. So if any of you guys want to see like videos on how to make lip gloss or how to make matte lipstick, I am not afraid to show you guys. I would be so happy to show you guys if any of you want to start a similar type of business. It's probably easier to watch videos and be like, okay, let me figure it out this way. But it was some people, like, they give you like the formula and it's like very obvious, like, no, that's not how you make it because it doesn't come out right. I mean, I don't blame them. Like, that's like rule 101 on business. Like, you shouldn't ask people like for their formula, but if people are willing to give it to you, why not? I'm willing to help anybody. So if you guys want to see videos on how to make lip gloss and things like that, let me know in the comments down below. But if you guys really don't care about that, just let me know too. I don't care. I'm not gonna feel no type of way or defensive. I rather know what you guys are willing to watch on this channel. Or do you guys think we should do another channel? Do you think I should open another channel to show you guys that? I don't know. Let me know, because I don't know if that would make sense. Would you guys want to see it on this channel? Who knows? So let me know, you guys, in the comments down below. I forgot what color this is. I'm telling you, we are all over the place. We're trying to get everything ready. We've been making the matte lipsticks and the liquid lipsticks last. So those are still being named. And I think it's the color Riley. I named this one after my daughter. I don't remember, but I am wearing like a red lip color, or lip liner, and the color Riley on my lips in the middle somehow. And I think this one's like the regular liquid lipstick one. Yeah, because I don't think this one came out matte. But other than that, you guys, that is all. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I really hope that you guys will give me a like, a thumbs up, and well, same thing, like, thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'm gonna give a post notification shout out. Where's my phone? 1 second, you guys. Okay, guys, so I can't find my phone, so I'm gonna use my tablet here. So okay, so today's post notification shout out goes to DG. DG is always in my comment section, so I guess that's why I saw her pretty quickly, but she is basically an OG on my channel, and I love her so much. She's actually helped sponsor a video one time for I think a Dollar Tree giveaway. So hi DG, thank you for watching, and that is my post notification for today, and I will be doing more in every single video. I have to try to remember, because it's something new I'm trying to incorporate in the channel, but I really want to show some love to all of you guys. And so yeah, thank you DG for supporting. Thank you for all you guys, and I don't know if you guys know, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I don't have a lot of friends, so I feel like you guys are my only friends. So thank you guys, and until next time, bye bye. Oh yeah, and God bless.